To access the librarian dashboard, click on the top right drop-down menu from your Nimbus homepage. The librarian dashboard gives the admin an overview of everything in the Nimbus library in real time. You can manage content and users, view custom analytics, and download reports. Content overview includes number of publishers and publications in your catalog. Analytics overview shows the number of logins, searches, and downloads. You can also see the number of active and registered users in real time. By clicking Add or Upgrade Services menu, you can view the status of your current subscription and active services. Select other available resources to add to your library like Remote Access, Research Plus, and Plagiarism Checker. The Library Portal menu helps you manage the look and content of your eLibrary. By clicking on the Home Page option, you can customize the look of your homepage, including your logo, font, theme colors, and institute banner. You can also decide which widgets and sources should be visible on your homepage. Through static pages, you can add custom content like About Us and contact details. Through sections and IR, you can customize your institutional repository and search filters. You can also add useful links to other websites for users. User management allows you to add and manage users of your library. You can manage users by viewing their activity and sending notification. Also, setting expiry dates and manage them in groups. You can add users individually by filling a few details, or you can add users in bulk by uploading an Excel. You can also restrict users from specific email domains. Users may self-register themselves, and you will get a notification for this approval. You also have an option to manage users in groups. Notification option lets you communicate with your entire user base at once. Reports is one of the most important and useful features for an admin. Here you can see different types of reports like overview, users, and content. You can optimize the time range of the reports and download data on active users, visits and logins, page views, searches, and downloads for both off-campus access and on-campus. You can see more detailed reports based on active users and their activities performed under the user reports. You can also download these reports in an Excel and CSV format. Content reports show you exact usage data by publisher and by publication in various layouts. These reports are useful when you are trying to make decisions about resubscribing to particular resources. These reports will show you which e-resources were used the most and least. You can base administrative decisions on these reports and always be ready for review meetings. You can easily manage other services like collections, subscription of publishers, remote access, mobile app, etc. on the menu on your left. As you can see, with the Nimbus Librarian dashboard, you as an admin have full overview and control of your library portal. This dashboard requires no technical knowledge and can be accessed anywhere at any time.